Alright, so real quick, guys, just to let you guys know what you're looking at, man. Alright, so the earth is not a ball. The earth is not flat as you think it is. The earth has maybe some type of spinning top or disc type shape, but it's not flat or a ball, I'll tell you that. But check this out, man. I got some more important news for you guys. Check this out. So you're looking at a dragon. That's his left eye, that's his right eye, that's his mouth. His bite is 666 kilometers wide. You can see right here, that's his length of his bite right there, 666 kilometers wide. And then you have his left wing, his right wing. All right. Now, what I really wanted to mention to you guys is, so up north, this is him also. This is his body. This is his head, his neck, the underside of his neck, his throat. This is his left. This is his right hand, his right arm. This is his right arm right here. This is his left arm right here. So South America and the Arctic. It's like, if you think of the dragon being Satan, look how his right hand looks like a claw. And up north, you know, it's Satan Claus, Santa Claus. This is claw, Satan claw. This is claws, all right? That's why they call it that. Klaus Schwab lives on the other side of it, something like that. His tail has a face. His tail has leg. He has legs right here. His legs right here, and his tail has a face and some wings or some arms. Might be like 4 arms or something like that. I don't know what it is, but his tail has character. Now here's the important part about you guys. Everybody needs to know this. So there's, from what we've perceived so far, is the equals and opposites. All right. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So we're looking at a state of emergency for the 9.0 earthquakes and 10.0 earthquakes that are happening, that are going to be happening. And what you got to realize is there's signs of it happening before it happens. So, for instance, everybody knows about the Great African Rift, right? Africa splitting apart, the big rift in Africa, right? All right. Well, on the other side of the world, you have this zone over here called the Wanda Fuca, and they have it's a subduction zone over here with this plate, where they call it a slow slip. And they say once it gives way, it's going to cause a lot of this to fall into the water and big tsunamis and 10.0 earthquakes to go across the whole continent. All right. So the thing is, the dragon is right here. All right. That's his mouth. All right. And you got some froggy frogs up here, some frog-like creature somewhere around here. 3 frogs supposed to come out of his, or 3 evil spirits like frogs supposed to come out of his mouth. So it kind of looks like tadpole. Think about it: pole, tadpole, a toadpole, tadpole. Those are the evil spirits, man. All right. So check this out. You got I'll take this right here. This is the Wanda Fuca subduction zone. So you're expecting a 10.0 earthquake over here. All right. I'm gonna measure this to the other side of the world. I'm gonna show you this real quick. When you get to 20,000, you're at the other side of the world. There you go. Add the point. Done. That's good enough for me. And then you're gonna take this here, and then you're gonna line this up. So what did I say? Africa was splitting in half right here. So is it a coincidence that you have Africa splitting over here, right here, and then straight down that line you got the Wanda Fuca subduction zone antipode right here in the same line, right down the line, bam, right down the line. If you notice, there's a crack on this side of the world going this way, right? And if you go to the other side of the world, you got the same crack. It's this crack right here. This, see, what you don't see is this is that crack. All right, or it could be like, yeah, it's like this right here. This is the crack because this part right here is a part of it on the other side. All right. So Africa would be off right here, and I just showed you the line. So with Africa splitting off, it would be like this area right here coming apart, like going splitting, like this line, everything on this line going north and everything on this line going south. That would be Africa splitting apart. All right, do you see that? So let's go back to the other side of the world. So you would have North America right here. North America would be in this area right here, and the West Coast would be over here. All right, and over here is the subduction zone. You expect a 9.0 earthquake activity. This part of the world is breaking off, so equal and opposite is happening on the other side of the world. This side of the world is compacting, if I'm not mistaken, pushing towards itself, while this part of the world is breaking apart, splitting apart. But like I said, it would be the same thing happening. Actually, the split apart would be happening right here around Hawaii. Just north of Hawaii, just west of Hawaii, if I'm not mistaken. Is it west? No, my bad. It would be east of Hawaii, so like around this area right here. Because if I took that, let's go over here and look at the crack over here. So this part is ripping apart, right? This part is splitting off, so we'll take this part right here. Bam. We'll take this rift, measure this, other side of the world, and like I said, just east of Hawaii. Gotta get to 20,000. Because Hawaii is actually in the center of African continent, the south central Africa. I know the exact point Hawaii is, because it sticks out like a sore thumb on Africa. So the bottom of Africa would be right here, the top of Africa would be right here, and that part that breaks off right here would be like right here. This area is splitting in half. This should show signs of it. Yeah, this area right here is spreading apart, smooth. So yeah, if you want to know, this spot right here on Africa is Hawaii. This right here, this tree looking thing. This look like, let's say Hawaii is a tree, and this is the root that sticks out on the other side of the world. Bam. Bam. Bam! On that note, I'm out. To the Rabba, Hayashara, Haya, Kadosh, Kadash, Kadesh. To the Rabba, Yeshaya, Kadesh, Kadash, Kadosh. To the Rabba, Aheb, Rak, Kadesh, Kadash, Kadosh. Kenamashimo, Yeshaya, Hamashiach. To the Rabba, Anami, Amen. Like I said, this is the area. Yeah, it's like the roots of Hawaii right here on the other side of the world sticking out. All right, I'm out of here, guys.